Hey y'all, it's Patrick Langhand's Cross Country Mortgage. It is your weekly lending update. Today I'm going to cover a couple things. One, interest rates. Two, a home buyer class I have coming up. And three, a class you should totally come to. So the first thing, interest rates. I want to remind everyone, rates had peaked in October in the mid-sevens. We are at the lowest rates we've seen since September. We got an inflation report this week. Inflation dropped again, so rates dropped again. The inflation report next month in February, we are really expecting that to be a positive one, and we may see rates fall further. So I think we've seen the peak of rates. The question is, as rates fall, what happens to housing? My guess is it will continue to get more competitive. So we want to get our buyers out there. We want them to understand that now is the time to buy. And that brings me to my home buyer class. I have a class this Tuesday, 5:30. It's a webinar. It's all about house hacking. Use this class to invite your clients. You bring the clients, I will show them the value of home ownership. So house hacking is a way to address affordability. Buy a home, but rent out some portion of the home. This could be a room in the house. This could be an accessory dwelling unit, or you could buy a multi-unit property, live in one, rent out the others. So we're gonna be talking about house hacking. I wanna give you a quick scenario. An extra room. So if you were looking at a 3-bedroom home, but instead decided to buy a 4-bedroom home, so you could rent out a room to a friend, family member, or if you're comfortable with it, a stranger. It'd probably cost you, $50,000. That's $300 per month. But the average rent for one room in the Denver area is $1,000. So you pay $300 on your mortgage to get that extra room, but you rent it out for $1,000. You're netting $700 every single month. So what do you do with that $700? Save it, pay down your mortgage, save it up to buy another home. There's lots of options when you're making an extra $700. So that's just one example of house hacking. I'm going to be teaching everyone that attends all sorts of ways to earn income from real estate you own. And it's a great way to address the affordability piece. So use this class to invite your database. You bring the people, and I will show them the value of home ownership. Last class I want you to check out is a real estate class for realtors, and it's all about working with first-time homebuyers. Now, you probably have all worked with a first-time homebuyer, but what we're gonna cover is big concerns of being a first-time homebuyer right now and how to address them. How to show a client a rent versus own scenario. How to show a first-time home buyer the value of real estate, the return on investment, why it is the best, biggest wealth building tool out there. We'll also cover all the first-time home buyer programs that are out there, the down payment assistance. You will walk out of that feeling more confident when you're chatting with your first-time home buyer clients and how to help them understand. So check out that class, check out my house hacking class. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm on call this weekend and I am ready to get some contracts. So call me if I can help. Thanks.